Right, so kita sambung soalan tutorial chapter 9, differentiation. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with question number 8A. So over here, kita tengok soalan, kita nak differentiate lah dekat sini. Okay, so differentiate these two functions, y. Okay, so for question A over here, so kita tengok, this one is in the form of quotient. Okay, so we have u and v. So if we take u equals to x ex over here, okay, and then we take that v is equals to x plus e power x. Okay, exponential x. So dekat sini kalau kita tengok, we need to find both u prime and v prime, right? So let's start from this one. V prime, we have 1 plus ex over here. Okay, so for u over here, if we look carefully, kita tak boleh just direct differentiation over here. Okay, so dekat sini kena guna product rule pula. So we have u and v over here. Okay, so we take out from here u and v. So u is x and then v is ex. Okay, so u prime dapat 1, v prime dapat ex. Okay, so for this u prime, for the first function, u prime kita equals to, okay, v u prime plus u v prime. So ex plus x ex lah. Okay, so this is our u prime. Okay, so now kita akan guna u prime ni untuk kita differentiate our function, our original question. Okay, so kita akan pakai this one lah, xu and then uv. Okay, so let's look at this one, dy dx. Okay, so take dy dx over here. Formula kita vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Okay, so that is equals to v. Our v is x plus ex. Okay, and then times by u prime. So u prime we have ex plus x ex. Okay, and then minus with x ex times by 1 plus exponential x. Okay, so everything now we are using the quotient rule, so divided by v squared. So our v is x plus ex squared. Okay, so the next step that we will do is, kita tengok kita ada we are going to try to expand this and then we look at the common term lah. Okay, so kita expand dulu dekat sini. So x and ex, we have x ex over here plus, okay, then we have x squared ex, okay, x ex and then x squared ex, and then we also have 2x, okay, so ex and then squared 2x plus with x 2x over here. Okay, and for this term at the back we have x ex, okay, minus with x 2x over here. Okay, so next one, salin balik, jangan tinggal term ni. So we have x plus ex squared. Okay, so now we look at the common term ataupun ada tak term yang kita boleh simplify. So we have x ex here, we can simplify with negative, and then we have x 2x, we simplify dengan negative x 2x over here. So next line that we have over here, kita just tinggal x squared ex. Okay, so x squared ex plus 2x divided by x plus ex squared. Okay, so having it in this form, kita tengok ada tak function, ada tak sebutan lain yang kita boleh simplify. I think there's no more lah yang kita boleh simplify. Kalau kita nak factorkan pun, kita cuma boleh factorkan ex over here. Okay, and then we are going to have x squared plus ex. Okay, and that can be divided by x plus ex squared over here. Alright, so that is for question A. Now let's look at question B. Okay, so for question B here, kita ada y equals to x squared plus 2x. Then we have x square plus 2x. So sekarang ni sama, kita dapat dalam bentuk product. Okay, so we have u and v. Our u is equals to x square plus 2x. Our v is exponential of x square plus 2x over here. Okay, so u prime kita dapat equals to 2x plus 2 and v prime is equals to 2x e. Okay, so 2x e x square, differentiate yang dekat atas ni. So we got 2x over here, and then we're gonna have plus 2 kat sini. Okay, so the next line kita masuk dalam formula dy dx that is equals to vu prime plus uv prime lah. Sekarang ni sebab product rule, so kita plus. Okay, so we have e x square plus 2x times with 2x plus 2 plus with our u, which is x square plus 2x, okay, times with 2x e x square, okay, and then plus 2. Okay, right, sorry, this one should be dekat bawah kan. Okay, alright, so this one dekat atas plus 2x. Right, so this one should be, I'm sorry, so kat sini power so 2x, we're gonna have 2x plus 2, okay, and then e x square plus 2x, that is the power for the exponential. So over here dekat sini v prime kita akan dapat 2x plus 2 bracket e x square plus 2x. Okay, ni power on the exponential. Alright, so that is correct now. So sekarang ni kita simplify lah function kita. So we have x square plus 2x, 2x plus 2, this one. Okay, so kita tengok function sebutan yang sama, apa yang kita boleh factorkan. So we have 2x plus 2 on both sides. Okay, so we factor out 2x plus 2. Okay, and we can also factor out this ex square. Okay, ex square plus 2x. Okay, so both term ada. So here we have 1 plus with, so this one we are left with 2x plus 2 dah. This one also kita dah ambil. So we have this one x square plus 2x over here. Okay, so the next line kita boleh factor, simplify. We have over here 2x plus 2 outside. Okay, kita boleh factorkan 2. We have x plus 1 and then ex square plus 2x. Okay, so then we can have over here x square plus 2x plus 1. Kita boleh simplify jadi factorkan x plus 1 square. Okay, so finally we can combine these two terms together. We dapat 2x plus 1. Okay, and then x plus 1 squared. Okay, kalau kita bawa ke depan, saya tunjuk satu-satu. Okay, over here. So now kita akan dapat 2x plus 1 cube. Okay, and then we have ex square plus 2x over here. Okay, so dekat sini we factor out one by one term. Kita tengok balik. So saya factorkan, we have the same term 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. So that is the one in front here. And then we can also factor out this ex square plus 2x. Okay, this one also ex square plus 2x. So ni yang kita ada dekat second term. Okay, so yang lain lepas tu kita just factorkan lah term by term. Right, so that is it for this question.